Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook grilled tiger fish in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in game, search for fire, like this one right here, go close to it, and press F to interact. So here are all the dishes you can cook with this fire. Here, search for grilled tiger fish, which is right over here. Click on it. So the ingredients we need are 1 fish and then 1 pepper. So if you have all these ingredients, press this cook button right here, like so. So you can cook this manually by clicking on this cook manually button, and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!